So far, you've learned how to connect Power BI to different data sources. But here's the reality. Raw data is almost never ready for analysis. It might have missing values, inconsistent formats, or extra columns you don't need. That's where Power Query Editor comes in. In this video, you'll learn how to clean, transform, and shape your data so it's ready to model and visualize. Power Query is a data transformation tool built into Power BI. It allows you to remove unnecessary data, rename and format columns, merge and split fields, handle missing values, and shape data into the structure you need. The key thing to remember: Power Query doesn't change your original data. It applies a set of transformation steps that Power BI remembers and reapplies whenever the data is refreshed. To open Power Query in Power BI Desktop, go to the Home tab and click Transform Data. The Power Query Editor window opens in a new window. The interface has a ribbon at the top with transformation tools, a queries pane on the left listing your tables, a data preview in the center, and an applied steps panel on the right, showing the transformations you've made. Let's try some common transformations. First, remove unnecessary columns. Select the columns, right-click, and remove columns. Next, rename columns. Double-click a column header and give it a clear name like Customer Name instead of Custom Name. Then, check data types. Use the data type drop-down to make sure dates, numbers, and text are correctly recognized. You can also filter rows by clicking the Filter drop-down and choosing Conditions. Split and merge columns are useful too. Split full name into first and last, or merge city and country into location. Replace values fixes typos, like changing USA to United States. Remove duplicates, helps avoid incorrect totals. Fill down or fill up fills in missing values from above or below. Group by lets you create summaries, like grouping sales by region and summing revenue. When working with multiple tables, use merge queries to join them, or append queries to stack them. These are powerful ways to combine data. Remember, every step you take is recorded in the Applied Steps panel. You can rename, delete, or reorder steps, and your original data stays safe. Once you're done, click Close and Apply. Power BI saves your transformations and loads the clean tables into the Fields pane. A few best practices. Always rename columns clearly, remove unneeded data early, keep consistent formats, avoid unnecessary steps, and document your transformations. Let's recap. In this video, you learned what Power Query is and why it's important, how to navigate its interface, the most common transformations, how to merge and append queries, and how Power Query automatically remembers your steps. Now your data is clean and structured, ready for modeling. In the next video, we'll dive into data modeling and relationships in Power BI, which is the backbone of every good report. See you there.